So guys, Frank Tank here, right? So there's 5 fluid that you have to check to make sure your car is running right. First is the antifreeze or the coolant. It's like I am low. You gotta try to get it full, not over, but a little bit under this line. And you get the power steering right here. You gotta get it below this line. And then you got transmission fluid right here. See, the best way to tell is count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pull it out and look at it again. So see, transmission fluid should be red, so it is. It's wet right on that second ring, so it should be good. You can fill it up some more if you want. And then you got the brake fluid. You can do it above this line right here. See, looks like I need a little bit more. I guess I'm gonna have to go buy some. All right, and most of all, your engine oil. Let's see. All right, so I just parked my car, so it's all the way up here. So just use the rag. All right, clean it up so there's no oil on there. All right, now you're gonna put it back in. Check it again, and it's white right where it needs to be, where that line is. See that line? So you're good on engine oil. So looks like I need to fill up on coolant. AutoZone's got some of the best coolants around. You want the 50-51. If you don't have the 50-51, just put some water in there to dilute it a little bit. Okay. I need a guide to hand. Okay. About that line, or below that line. Power steering. Power steering. Alright. Guess I should have got somebody to come hold the camera. Alright. A little bit. You don't want it too high because all that pressure from it gonna be bad for the engine. Alright, seal tight. Transmission fluid, we're good. Brake fluid, I'm gonna have to go get some later today, but that's what you need. 5 things: coolant, keep your engine cool. Power steering helps you turn. Engine oil helps the engine run. That's the most important. Transmission fluid for the transmission, and brake fluid for the brakes. And that, what do you guys think? Frank Tank out. Peace.